How the tamper-resistant mechanism inside the receptacle works. Tamper-resistant duplex receptacle. The tamper-resistant mechanism is located inside, at the front of the receptacle. The neutral and hot slots are covered by a shutter of the safety, tamper-resistant, mechanism inside the receptacle. But the grounding pin slot is not. The TR mark indicates a tamper-resistant receptacle. View of the inside of the receptacle after opening. Front part has safety, tamper-resistant, mechanism inside its base. Tamper-resistant receptacle shutter mechanism inserted into the front part of the receptacle. Shutter mechanism removed from the receptacle front base. Interior view of the receptacle shutter mechanism. Shutter and the shutter body. The rounded corner of the shutter, the side that contacts the shutter body spring. Closer view of the shutter body. A spring that forces the shutter to close the slots of the receptacle after the plug is removed. Niche for the shutter balance cone. 2 pairs of pins, one of which holds the shutter in the shutter body and the other holds the shutter mechanism in the front base of the receptacle. The tab holds and stabilizes the shutter mechanism from the side in the front base of the receptacle. View of the inside of the shutter. A cone that fits into the recess of the shutter base. Flat side of the shutter that fits into the recess in the front base of the receptacle. A conical slot that fits into the conical post in the inner front base of the receptacle. A shutter balance cone that slides into a recess in the shutter base. When the shutter is pressed down evenly during plug insertion, the part of the shutter that covers the slot of hot female contact inside the receptacle before the shutter is pressed, and the other side of the same shutter that covers the hot slot in the front base of the receptacle from which the shutter will be pressed. The edge of the shutter that holds the shutter in place, at the base of the shutter. When the spring presses the shutter to the side, the flat part of the shutter that covers the hot slot in the front base of the receptacle, preventing contact with the hot female contact inside the receptacle. When trying to insert an object into the receptacle slot, the flat part of the shutter that covers the neutral slot in the front base of the receptacle, preventing contact with the neutral female contact inside the receptacle. When trying to insert an object into the receptacle slot, the shutter is stopped by the edge of the shutter base. As the spring presses against the shutter, and the pins hold the shutter inside the shutter base. Conical side of the slot in the shutter that slides over the conical post in the front base of the receptacle when the shutter is balanced and pressed evenly. The other, flat side of the conical slot in the shutter that holds the shutter in place on the flat side of the conical post in the front base of the receptacle. When the spring is released and the shutter returns to its previous position. The front pair of pins that holds the shutter body in the front receptacle base, and the tab that holds and stabilizes the shutter mechanism from the side in the front base of the receptacle. Shutter mechanism removed from front the receptacle base, and shutter removed from shutter base. The flat surface of the shutter fits into a recess in the base of the front receptacle and covers both receptacle slots, preventing any object from being inserted into these slots. The grounding slot in the receptacle is always open. How the shutter mechanism works in a tamper-resistant receptacle. Attempting to insert a thin object into only one of the receptacle slots causes the shutter mechanism to block entry because the shutter slider is unbalanced, preventing it from being moved inwards and to the side to expose the slots and allow the male blades of the plug to be inserted into the female contacts of the receptacle. When inserting a thin object into only one slot of the receptacle, pressure is exerted on one side of the shutter, causing the other side of the shutter to deflect toward the front of the receptacle in the receptacle base recess. This unbalances the shutter balance mechanism, causing the shutter to remain in the same position, blocking the opening of the receptacle slot. When into both slots of the receptacle is inserted object, plug, which presses equal and simultaneously on the shutter, balancing it. The shutter slides at the same time into the receptacle and to the side, which causes the object, male blades of the plug, to slide into the receptacle slots and engage with the female contacts inside the receptacle. One more time. When inserting the plug blades into the receptacle slots, their ends press evenly and simultaneously on the shutter. The shutter mechanism becomes balanced, and with continued pressure on the plug, the shutter cone begins to slide into the shutter cone recess in the shutter base, at the same time as the shutter cone slides into its recess in the shutter base. The conical side of the shutter slot slides off the conical post in the front base of the receptacle, while the blades of the plug, which pressing the shutter, move it inwards. The conical shapes of the shutter balance mechanism cause it to move the shutter slides not only inwards, but also to the side, as the plug presses against the shutter and moves it in and to the side. The ends of the plug's blades slide across the flat surface of the shutter until the shutter moves enough to open the slots. Opening the slots causes the plug blades to drop into the slots and engage with the female contacts inside the receptacle. When the plug is removed from the receptacle slots, the spring that constantly presses the shutter moves it back to its previous position, which causes the slots of the receptacle to be covered again. Uneven and non-simultaneous hard pressure on the slots of the receptacle will unbalance the shutter mechanism, preventing the plug from being inserted and consequently damaging the receptacle tamper-resistant mechanism.